Hey guys, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today we're going to do a piece on an art canvas, an 11 by 14 art canvas, and it's basically going to be painting a burst of paint. This is our finished product and I'm going to show you how to do this. Today for this art project, I'm going to be using this 11 by 14 flat canvas panel. I'm going to use, this is a spice brown, this is rose gold, a metallic, and I'm going to use a little coral. I have water standing by. I'm going to be needing water. I'm going to be using this little tool, and I'm going to use this fan brush as well as this little brush, this little guy here. This is a 1/2 inch. Just, I don't really know what exactly you call it as far as the shape, but this brush. So this is what I'm going to do to start off. I'm not going to have any additives to this paint other than later on when we use a little bit of water. And I'm just going to add places up and down through here. Little blobs. Oh, and that one really wanted a blob. I don't think I shook that well enough, perhaps. Maybe we should shake this one. And I can come back and add these as needed, but this will get us started here. Okay, to start off, I'm going to take this little tool, and I'm just going to try to kind of swipe out my little blobs here. This is not going to look like it has any rhyme or reason to it whatsoever at this point, but it will take some shape here shortly. Now to get started, I'm going to wet my brush. And what I want to do is come along where I've got these little, actually they're, a little bit thick, but I'm going to come in with my little wet brush and just lightly snag the color, basically, is what I want to do. I want to snag that color throughout there. And we will just continue to repeat this all up and down until we have our whole piece covered, our whole piece of canvas covered. And you're going to want to continue, you want to bring it all the way to the edge. The little bit of water that I have in my brush is thinning down what we put across here and helping it to spread easier. And it's okay, you're gonna want where some of these meet, you're gonna want these colors to allow them to blend together. And that just also helps add more contrast to your piece, in my opinion. And what we're really concentrating on doing is leaving a bit of the heavier portion of the paint throughout this middle section. So the concept here of what we're trying to attain here is the fact that you really want it to look like the paint that you have across the middle here. And of course the colors that you choose, you know, you're gonna want a little bit lighter and a little darker. You want some good contrasting colors. But basically what the goal is you want it to basically look like your paint has exploded out of this line of what we start off with in the middle. And I use this little fan brush several different ways. I use this way, the small side, and then I also used the bigger brush strokes there to cover it. But you want to keep it to where, and there's no, you can go straight across any way you want. I like this curved angle for whatever reason. So, but you want to make sure that through the middle here, it looks like your paint is exploding out from it. I like these colors. These to me contrasted really well for what I had in mind. I like this, and I think it's gonna look nice like in a dark frame. I can't wait to see what it'll look like framed. Hey guys, thanks for watching today. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to ask. Grab you a canvas, paintbrushes, and some paint, and just get started with it. I hope that you will also feel free to share this video, like it, and something's after me. Like it, and I hope you'll subscribe. Whatever you do, make it yours. Make it personal, because you can do it. Thanks, guys.